This is a 2003 Toyota Tacoma double cab, pre-runner, SR5, 117,000 miles. Absolutely rust-free, incredibly straight and clean. You will be lucky to find a door ding on this truck. It is that clean. Rhino line bed liner, tow package, sliding rear window. Running boards. Tires are in very good condition still. Vehicle is running. Like I said, it needs absolutely nothing. Super rare double cab with low miles, rust free. Cloth interior is in wonderful, wonderful condition. No rips or stains or wear marks. We do have the original floor mats, original keys, 117,000 miles, no cracked dash, no sagging headliner, power windows, locks, mirrors, and cruise. As you can see, very, very clean. So this is a 2003 Toyota Tacoma double cab pre-runner SR5, 117,000 miles, two-wheel drive, in absolutely wonderful condition.